Welcome back to my channel, Genie. Today, we're diving into the simple process of using someone's code on Temu. Stick around till the end to ensure you've got all the details. So, imagine someone has generously shared a referral code with you, but you're unsure how to apply it when setting up your own Temu account. Don't fret. Here's how to make it happen. First things first, head over to temu.com and log into your account. Once you're logged in, you'll be all set to apply the code. Click on the profile icon located at the top right corner of the page. If you're on a computer, simply hover your mouse over it to reveal a pop-up menu. Look for the option labeled Coupons and Offers and give it a click. Within the Coupons and Offers section, you'll spot a field labeled Enter Coupon Code. Now, grab the code that someone kindly shared with you, whether it's a coupon code, gift card code, or referral code. Type or paste the code into the designated field. Once the code is entered, hit the Apply button. The code will be successfully applied to your Temu account, granting you whatever benefits it entails based on its value. You've now successfully used someone's code on Temu. I hope this video was a helpful guide for you. If it was, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to our channel for more handy tutorials. Got any questions? Feel free to drop them in the comments below. Thanks for sticking around till the end, and I'll catch you in the next video.